Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a tablescape for two with lemons. Come on with me, guys. Okay, so that beautiful runner that you see there in white, that came from Hobby Lobby. Then you have that beautiful vase along with the lamb's ear garland that I thrifted at the Goodwill. The candles all came from the Dollar Tree along with the candle holders and those beautiful placemats. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called TABLESCAPE Tuesdays. TABLESCAPE Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's my favorite time of the week. Now TABLESCAPE Tuesdays is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. Now, as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. So now we mentioned the collaboration at the very beginning of the video so everyone knows what we're participating in. Then we mention the host, and we also fill out the description box with the collaboration and the host and their links. Also remember to watch all of the videos in the playlist and make sure and click the like button, share the video if you really like it, and leave a really beautiful comment. Now let's get to the tablescape. Now the chargers and those lemon plates, they came from Hobby Lobby. So the clear plate with the gold trim, that was a thrifted item. And that salad plate, absolutely gorgeous, that came from Home Goods. that white dessert plate, that was a thrifted item, along with the napkins. So the napkins were thrifted from the Goodwill as well, and then the napkin rings did come from Party City. Okay, so the wine glasses were a gifted item and the water glasses came from the Goodwill. Now I purchased the flatware at Party City. Now I'm lighting the candles, so we are heading over to the reveal. So this tablescape, I believe, came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.